The edit added daily service details are being shown in my daily services screen, and we are also giving 5 options for residents where they could call, message, edit, rate, and remove the daily service. Now let us try to edit the daily service. He will be navigated to screen where all the daily service details are being shown. Now let us try to change the name. After changing the name, let's click on update button. You have successfully updated your daily service details is being shown in another pop-up. Let's click on OK button. The updated details are being reflected. Now let us rate the daily service. How about rating a daily service as 4 and click on submit. The same is being reflected. Now let's click on remove daily service. An alert pop-up stating that are you sure you want to remove this daily service, and also resident will stop receiving notification related to this particular daily service. Let's click on yes. This daily service has been removed.